Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix all DLL missing on your system when you try to run a program or games. You encounter a DLL error on your system. So here all you need is download the Visual C redistributable. Here usually if you can access your game installation folder, you can find FC Redis, so you can install it manually from there. But if you don't have, you can try to search from the Microsoft.com, the official website of Visual C++. You can click it. The latest supported Visual C redistributable. So here there is a Visual Studio from 2015 until 2022, and this is the latest Microsoft Visual C redistributable version. You can download manually. Here you can read about the notes, and here permalink for latest support 64-bit version. So this package makes it easy to install. So just download this one, only this one. If you use Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you download this, you try and then try to restart your system and try to rerun your programs or games. And also if this method or this solution cannot fix your problem, there's one step that you need to do, is download and install DirectX and user runtime web installer. Here this is like a basic Microsoft DirectX. If you install the game, you must have this. You must install this DirectX in order to run your favorite game normally. Without this, your game cannot play. So you can download it for free. It's very small, only up to under 300 kilobyte. And after you download, install and try to restart your PC, and I hope this can fix your problem. Feel free to try to download Microsoft Visual C redistributable and DirectX and user runtime web installer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.